Episode 4. The Worst Supreme Court Decision. Dred Scott v. Sandford, 1857. Some Supreme Court cases expand rights. This one did the opposite. Today we're talking about Dred Scott v. Sandford, widely considered the worst decision in Supreme Court history. Dred Scott was an enslaved man who lived with his owner in free territories where slavery was illegal. When he returned to Missouri, a slave state, Scott sued for his freedom, arguing that living on free soil made him free. His case eventually made its way to the Supreme Court. What started as a freedom lawsuit quickly became a defining moment for race, citizenship, and constitutional law. The court had to answer two major questions. First, could an enslaved person even sue in federal court? And second, did Congress have the power to ban slavery in U.S. territories? In a devastating decision, the court ruled against Dred Scott. They said Black Americans, enslaved or free, were not citizens and had no rights. The federal government was not required to respect them. They also ruled that Congress could not ban slavery in the territories, declaring the Missouri Compromise unconstitutional. This decision didn't just deny one man his freedom. It intensified sectional conflict and pushed the country closer to civil war. After the Civil War, the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments were passed, largely undoing this ruling, abolishing slavery, granting citizenship, and protecting voting rights. Dred Scott v. Sandford shows us that the Supreme Court can be wrong, profoundly wrong, and that constitutional change sometimes requires amendment, not interpretation. Next week, Plessy v. Ferguson, the case that legalized segregation.